Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the bass guitar. I'm using a fretless bass guitar in this, but it'll work on fretted bass, mini bass, ukulele bass, anything else. In the first video you'll have seen me improvise a bass line, a very basic, excuse the pun, bass line where we moved two notes back from the root and played it on the last bar, the last two beats of that bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. But you can also use it when moving to another chord. So you can do it this way. We're going to pretend we're going from C to F. That's the C note is the A string at the 3rd fret, and the F note is the 3rd fret at the D string. So there's the C. You just basically move your finger down one. Like I say, this is fretless, so it looks like I'm playing on the frets, but there's no frets there, they're just a guide, as I'm new to fretless bass. Normally there'd be no guide there, you do it all by ear. But we'll continue. So instead of, say we're moving from C to F, we can play it like this, 1 and 2 and 3, and that's the C, then the 4 and on the two notes leading up to the F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So we're going from C to F. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you can make that move like that, like this. So we're moving from C to F after each bar. So 1 and 2 and 3 and on the C note, the A string at the 3rd fret, the 4 and on the 1st and 2nd fret of the D string. So that finishes that bar out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the C, then the 3rd fret of the D string is your F note. 1 and 2 and 3 and then back to the A string, the 1st and 2nd fret for the 4 and then back into C. Like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So basically, if you're moving, say, from C to F, which we've just been doing, you play 1 and 2 and 3 and you need to know where your F note is on the guitar, bass guitar, which is the 3rd fret of the D string, and play the two notes leading into it on the 4 and. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. And you can do that with any chord. If you're moving to G, which would be the 3rd fret of the E string, you play 1 and 2 and 3 and on the 3rd fret of the A string, and do 4 and on the 1st and 2nd fret of the E string. Then the G note is the 3rd fret of the E string. So like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that's how I would improvise a bass line if I hadn't heard the song. So the two notes, if you're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, you play the root of the chord you're on 1 and 2 and 3 and. On the 4 and, you play the two notes before the chord you're going to move to. So again from C to G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and back to C, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's how you can improvise a bass line, and it makes it sound better than just playing the root note all the time. So, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more thumbs up we get and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will post. Until next time, take care, keep practicing, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.